In RapidWeaver 8, you can now edit the htaccess file on your server from directly within the publishing settings area. I've already set up my publishing destination, so I'm going to click on the Edit htaccess file button. This will open up the htaccess file that is on your server. I'm going to go ahead and paste some code in here. Then I'm going to enter a description of the changes. And then click Save and Upload. RapidWeaver has now saved that htaccess file onto our server. If I go ahead and click the Edit htaccess file button again, you'll see that that code is now being persisted to the file. And if I were to go ahead and paste some more code into here, like so, we could then add a description of the changes we've made and then click Save and Upload again. And finally, RapidWeaver even keeps track of all of these changes. So if you click on the Edit htaccess file button one more time and go to the versions drop down here, you'll see that we have the initial version, the first change I made, and the last change. If we select one of the options, RapidWeaver will revert the code back to that version. We can then click Save and Upload, and that version will be saved to our server. I'm not going to do that right now, so I'll click the Cancel button. One final thing to note is that editing htaccess files is publishing destination independent. That means if you have multiple publishing destinations, you can edit the htaccess file for each individual destination. This is great if you have a live server and a development server set up. You can add different rules for each individual server inside of its own htaccess file. And that is htaccess file editing in RapidWeaver 8.